Hey everyone, so are you seeing a network error message when using Grammarly? Maybe Grammarly won't load, it keeps disconnecting, or it says it can't connect to the server. Yeah, that can be pretty annoying when you're trying to check your writing. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix the Grammarly network error so you can get everything working again in just a few minutes. All right, first, check your internet connection. Grammarly needs a stable connection to communicate with its servers and analyze your text, so make sure your internet is working properly before trying anything else. Next, try refreshing the page or a document where you're using Grammarly. Sometimes the connection between your browser and Grammarly's servers simply times out, and refreshing the page restores it. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, that could be blocking Grammarly's connection. Try temporarily disabling the VPN and then reload the page to see if Grammarly connects normally. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, stored data can interfere with website connections and extensions. Clearing the cache helps reset those temporary files. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewall settings can block Grammarly from connecting to the internet. If that happens, you may need to allow Grammarly in your security software settings. If the network error still appears, try updating or reinstalling the Grammarly extension or app. Reinstalling often fixes connection issues caused by outdated files or extension conflicts. And that's it. Most Grammarly network errors can be fixed by checking your internet connection, disabling a VPN, or reinstalling the extension. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.